Good morning and welcome to Teaching Tuesdays. I am Michael Moore and this is More for Life. So we're going to be talking today about something that always plagues me when I'm talking to my clients, because often many of my clients walk in with these little towelettes that we use here in our studio as well, but we always use these to remove makeup just off the face, like if I'm going to redo somebody's eyes, somebody's face, somebody's lips, whatever, okay? Now, the thing that I want you to know about these, they do say cleanse skin and remove makeup, okay? Do not believe this. Not everything is real that you read, okay? And so the thing that I want you to think about is do not use these as your whole facial cleanser, at least every day of your life. A lot of my clients do. They'll just like, oh, I just use these cleanse my face. First of all, these are going to remove your makeup at that point in time. They're not going to cleanse your face. So the thing that I always like to tell everybody to do is do a double cleanse. So if you want to, go ahead and use these. But now I'm going to tell you, I don't think they're really that great for the environment because you're just putting tons of this stuff into the landfill along with baby wipes and stuff. And I'm not saying to say stop using baby wipes or stop using these. Maybe don't use them as often, okay? So what you're also going to think about is this is going to be the first step of a cleanse, and then use something else as your second step of your cleanse. Or even better yet, just use your cleanser twice. So you have the first cleanse that's going to remove your makeup, and then the second cleanse is going to remove the stuff that's in the pores. Or as I say, one cleanse will actually remove your blouse, and the next cleanse will remove your undergarments. So you want to make sure that you're cleansing the face, removing the makeup, and cleansing the pores, getting everything clean, getting everything simple, getting everything really nice and clean, because dirty skin is not a good thing to have on a daily basis. Yes, if you're going on a trip and you just want to carry something, these are great. If you're going camping, these are great. If you want something just quick and easy, these are great. But if you're using them 365 days a year, no more, okay? So you want to think about double cleansing your face on a daily basis. Once again, remove the blouse, then remove your undergarments. Because what happens is when you go to bed at nighttime, if there's dirt sitting on the surface of your skin goes out and it's going to eat that product basically, because what it does is that's why we use more heavier creams at nighttime, because what they do is they replenish the skin while when you go to sleep, your skin wakes up. So what happens, it wakes up and it's doing its work for you. So if there's debris sitting on the surface of your skin because you've only done this once, then it's going to eat that as well, okay? So simple, easy, quick things for you to think about today on this Teaching Tuesday, okay? The other thing I want to think about is our specials for the month. So it is Halloween, and we don't want you to be a scary witch at Halloween unless you choose that as your costume on the 31st. But for the rest of the month, what we're going to do is all month long, all of our masks are 20% off. That's all of our Lyra hydration mask, our brightening mask. That's our LED light mask from Truth Treatments, as well as the Vita Rich mask and then the Honey Hyaluronic mask. All of those are 20% off for you this month, as well as we did decide to extend our makeup lesson refresher. That is only $80 rather than $125. And so you can call and book that this month. If you can't get in this month, then make sure you purchase it this month and get in next month, okay? If you have any questions, do not hesitate to give me a call at 303-484-1857 or michael@moreforlife.com. We'll see you later. Okay, bye.